picosecond, 755 nanometers. Effect: breaks down pigmentation, whitens skin, and reduces spots. Use makeup remover to eliminate dirt, oil, and residual makeup. Wash the face with a facial cleanser. Then evenly apply toner. Attach the 755 nanometers treatment head to the handle. Cover the recipient's eyes with cotton pads, then place the black goggles on. The operator must also wear goggles. Settings. Select 755 nanometers. Joules per square centimeter, 0.5-1 J. Hertz, 3 Hz. Press the start button, then activate the foot switch to begin the process. Position the treatment head 3 to 5 centimeters away from the face, and smoothly move the handle from the chin across the face. Remove the goggles and cotton pads. Apply a facial mask. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, serum, and cream.